Where is the post office? Where is the post office? He resigned from the post. He resigned from the post. Are you prepared? Are you prepared? I need time to prepare. I need time to prepare. Where are the prisoners? Where are the prisoners? She has a prominent nose. She has a prominent nose. She plays a prominent role in the organization. She plays a prominent role in the organization. He is an internet service provider. He is an internet service provider. I am going to my quarters. I am going to my quarters. I ate a quarter of the cake. I ate a quarter of the cake. He ranked close to the top. He ranked close to the top. He reached the rank of general. He reached the rank of general. Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? She checked her reflection in the mirror. She checked her reflection in the mirror. I need some relief. I need some relief. You resemble your mother very closely. You resemble your mother very closely. He didn't reveal his secret. He didn't reveal his secret. Roll up your right sleeve. Roll up your right sleeve. A coin rolled under the desk. A coin rolled under the desk. He rolled his eyes. He rolled his eyes. A dog is running in the park. A dog is running in the park. I am trying to save money. I am trying to save money. Don't scream. Don't scream. Didn't you hear a scream? Didn't you hear a scream? You seem very tired. You seem very tired. What's your favorite TV series? What's your favorite TV series? I will shortly be arriving at the station. I will shortly be arriving at the station. I told you to keep silent. I told you to keep silent. Her skin is perfectly smooth. Her skin is perfectly smooth. I will buy that dress somehow. I will buy that dress somehow. I met some Spanish people yesterday. I met some Spanish people yesterday. Do you speak Spanish? Do you speak Spanish? Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? How long did you stay? How long did you stay? The store opens at 9 a.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. Do you think you are strong? Do you think you are strong? He successfully passed the exam. He successfully passed the exam. He was a member of the Supreme Court. He was a member of the Supreme Court. I like the taste of watermelon. I like the taste of watermelon. I got a temporary job. I got a temporary job. They will keep their promise. They will keep their promise. Don't forget to wear a tie. Don't forget to wear a tie. I bit my tongue. I bit my tongue. I have something to tread. I have something to tread. Measure each angle of the triangle. Measure each angle of the triangle. I have a twin brother. I have a twin brother. I study at a university. I study at a university. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.